Well, hey, what is going on, everybody? And so, welcome once again to one of my tutorials. And so, in this evening's tutorial, guys, we're going to be showing the PS1 a little more love. So, what we'll be going over, guys, is ROM hacks and how you can apply these ROM hacks, or like patches or translations and things like that, to your burnt PS1 games so you can play them on your PS1 console. And not only that, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can take a PAL region game and play it on an NTSC region PS1 console and vice versa. So, without further ado, let's hop on over to the computer here, guys, and we'll get started. Sound good? Well, we're going to do it anyway. Oh, yeah. What I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here we are. We're at our PC part of our tutorial, and I'm hoping I don't confuse any of you guys. I'm going to try to get through this as quickly as I can, but I want to be as thorough as I can at the same time. But here's some of the files we'll be working with, guys. We're only working with like two games. Castlevania Symphony of the Night, which is here, these two here. The only difference is we're working with two different ROM hacks here. Alright? Bomberman World, this is a PAL region game, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play PAL region games on the NTSC system, and vice versa. If you live in Europe and you want to play the NTSC games, you can. Here's the program here, guys, that's going to help us to apply these patches to the Castlevania Symphony of the Night. And here's some programs here that will help you to convert the PAL to NTSC or NTSC to PAL. But the way I'm going to do it, I won't be using these guys. We'll be using the PS1 to do that. So the Unirom disk booter, or whatever you want to call it. I can't remember exactly what it was. But anyway, let me show you guys where you're going to get all this stuff from here. We'll go over to Chrome here. And so this program right here is the program that's going to help us to apply the patches. So you come over here and download this, guys. This right here is the one of the Castlevania patches that we're going to be using. It's called Castlevania Alternate Scarlet Symphony. And you'll come down here, guys, and you'll download it here. Now, when you download this game or whatever, or you back up your game, you're going to have two bin files. And so what it's saying here, guys, is when you apply this patch, you need to apply it to track1.bin. Okay, but in my case, I actually combine the two bin files, so I don't have to worry about that. But just be mindful of that. All right. On to the next one. This is Castlevania Rondo of the Night patch. So this is pretty cool. You can come here and download this patch, guys. And there's also another patch that goes along with this, and that's this patch here. This is a music patch and a story patch. So we'll get into this later, but these two go hand in hand here. So here is this is that patch it program. This helps us to convert the PAL to NTSC, vice versa. And this is a site where you can actually download that particular program to do that. You also have another one here. It's called set region. This is kind of difficult to work with because you got to rename some stuff and all that good stuff, right? So you really don't want to use, I don't recommend this one. This one here, Pilot NTSC color code converter. This is a pretty good one. The only thing you have to go and find a DLL file, and I'll show you that real quick. What I'm talking about is this file right here. You have to go and find that file. Well, I did anyway. I tried to run it and I had to go out and I had to find this file. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started, guys, with the real deal here. Because of time, I already patched this one right here, guys, the Rendezvous of the Night, simply because these are big files. They're upwards like 350 megabytes, so it does take a minute or two to do this. So I went ahead and patched this one up right here. It's ready to be burned onto a CD. So I'm going to do this one right here, but you're going to do the same thing with this one. If you want to do this, you just copy what I did here. So, all right, let's open this up, guys. As you can see, we got two bin files here. We have a track 1 and this is track 2. Now remember, guys, if you want to add that, if you want to leave this the same, you want to add the patch to the track1.bin. But I'm not going to worry about that. What I'm going to do, and I should have went over this with you, but there's a program called City Image here. I have this in the description also, but this is what's going to help us to combine those two bin files. You can use ISOBuster also, but I prefer this one. So we'll go to open and we'll find those two bin files right here. Here it is right here. What you want to do, guys, click on the Q file here, not the bin file, the Q file. Open it up into this program here, and there we go. And all you're going to simply do, guys, is go to save as. Alright, this is Symphony of the Night. I always like to get rid of the USA at the end. I don't like that, but we're going to do it that way. Actually, let's do it this way. This is going to be Scarlet Symphony. So what we're going to do here, let's mosey on up here, and what I'll do, I'll just copy this here, this, and what we'll do is just rename it to that. Alright, so now we're going to go over and we need to place it in this folder here. That is right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, hit open, and we want to, oh, that's spelt wrong, dude. I got a T at the end of that. Don't want to do that. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's hit save. Make sure it's mode 2, guys. And don't mess with none of this stuff here. Just make sure it says mode 2. And hit OK. Let it do its thing. Like I said, this program, I'll add that in the description. Okay, so we can close out of this now. We now have one bin file here. Awesome. So now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to open up our patch program here. This is what it looks like. And so what we need to do now, we need to go and find this bin file right here. And let's go into the night, alternate Scarlet Symphony right here. We want to click on that, load it up in the program, and now we need to look for our PPF file. This is our patch file here. it should be on, yeah, here it is. So we'll open that up right here. And so now what we need to do, just simply hit apply. It shouldn't take very long. Okay, and there it is, patch successfully applied. Ready to burn it now. Awesome. Okay, so now this game, guys, we're not going to really worry about right now. We're just I've actually got this burnt already. I did not use these here, guys, because I'm going to use the PS1 to do that. Now what we're going to do, this Symphony of the Night, this one here, this is the Scarlet Symphony here. I've already got it burned on CD. This one I do not. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop this CD in right now, and we are going to burn this one like on the fly here. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up our trusty old image burn here. And what we're going to do, we're going to write image file to disk, since we are dealing with images here, image files. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to find our file here, guys. We're going to be using the Q file here. So we're going to mosey on up to desktop. Where's it at? This is the one that says modded right here. And so we're going to be using the Q file. We're going to open it up, guys. And as you see right here, on my last video, I did not show you guys this, but it actually shows you what write speeds is supported in this, using this right here. All right, so some of them said 10x, some may say 16 through whatever, but we're gonna stick with 16x right here, the lowest one, because it, from what I hear, if you use the lowest one that you can, it helps with errors, less errors. So we're gonna do that, and so let's go ahead and we'll hit burn, and I'm gonna skip this part over, guys, because it's gonna take a minute. All right, so I will see you in a minute. Okay, guys, so we got our disc burnt here. This is ready to go. So as for this Castlevania Rondo of the Night, I'm going to show you guys real quick. You're going to do the same thing, guys. But on this one, of course, you're gonna have your you're gonna load your game up, right? But this one right here, guys, you want to load up your Rondo of the Night 1.7 first. Okay, load that one up first. Alright, and apply that patch. The next one is the music and story patch. So that's the one you're gonna apply last. Alright, and then you apply that. It's gonna take over like 5 or 6 minutes, guys. Probably even longer. I can't remember how long it takes, but it was, yeah. You might as well go do something else or whatever. Go get you a little snack or something, because it's gonna take a minute. But anyway, that's that. As for this program right here with this game here, if you open this up, guys, it's not really that hard to use. You just simply go to your game. Here it say this one right here. Okay, so if you're in the USA and you have a PAL game right here, guys, you want to make that PAL game work on the see USA console. So you check this off and hit go. That should convert it. If you're in Europe and you have if you had downloaded or backed up a NTSC USA version game or whatever, you wanna make that play on the PAL region console, and the same with the Japanese. So that's all you do there, guys. This one here, this is yeah, I know, but you double click this USA or whatever, English. What you're gonna do is you're gonna simply do that right there. You just click on your game and you go over here. It's gonna pop this little window here up. If it's a PAL version, you want to change it to NTSC, you want to choose that one. If you have an NTSC game, you want to change it to PAL, you click that and go to next. That's that. This one right here, I don't even know why I put this up here. Don't even try it, guys, because if you read this right here, I'll let you know. See, if you have something like this right here, you're gonna have to rename your bin file to these right here, PAL or whatever. If you have USA, you have to change the name and then USA. It's just confusing. I wouldn't use it, guys, tell you the truth. But I do have this in burn already, so we're all ready to go, guys. We're heading to the last portion of our tutorial now. So let's head on over to the PS1 and let's get started. I don't think I've missed anything here. I haven't. Okay, so that's that. Let's do it. Okay, everyone, so here we are. We're on the PS1 now. This is the last portion of our tutorial, and I apologize for having to record the PS1 this way. My game capture just won't do it. I don't know why. I've tried over and over again. Yeah, it just won't do it. So I had to resort to this way. But let's go ahead, guys. Let's jump into this, and we'll see how these games perform, shall we? So we're loading the Unirom up, and so the first game that we're going to try out, guys, is the Symphony of the Night mod here. This is the Scarlet, was it Scarlet Symphony? So we'll go ahead and we're going to boot the CD up here and we'll just go into play. Close the lid and we're off. Just wait a second. It takes a. There it goes. Let me beat stupid right here real quick, and we'll get on with the game here. I just want to show a little piece of the of the game in the beginning. Okay.
Dark monster, you don't belong in this world.
It
was not by my hand that I'm once again given flesh. I was called here by humans who wish to pay me tribute.
Tribute? You steal men's souls and make them your slaves.
Perhaps the same could be said of all religions.
Your words are as empty as your soul. Mankind ill need a savior such as you.
What is a man? A miserable little pile of secrets. But enough talk. How about you?
So I don't have the boomerang, that sucks. You won't get it on this one. Ah, darn. Whoa. Okay. Remember, guys, this mod right here is pretty much a hard mode, so that's the reason why. So I have no sub weapons or anything. As you can see, the text is a little different. You can see challenge. Yeah, it's a challenge, all right. Seriously. I'm gonna turn this light off so you can see it real quick. It does have a little bit of glitches in it, like music-wise, but not the actual gameplay. You can hear it every now and then. On an emulator, it works perfect. I mean, but there is a little bit of hiccups on the PS1 here using the original hardware. But it is playable. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end it right when I get through the castle door, because there's one thing I wanted to show you, just to let you guys see that the mod did work. Okay, so this is This right here you will not get on the original like game here. You can save it if you want. But yeah, this is all the items in are different places. I mean it's a really, I mean if you played this before, play this right here, you have a good challenge because it is very hard, guys. Actually went, let's see, I got a little further into it and I was dying all over the place. But luckily I had gotten an equipped item from an enemy that said enemy mode, easy mode. So I got that and it jumped my doggone my attack and defense real high. And that was the only way I was able to get a little further. But that's that. So we're going to try our next game out, guys. This is going to be a little quicker. This is the what would you call it? The Rondo of the Night. I hate that this is going to take a minute, guys. You know, I just want to let y'all see how these games function here or perform. I'm going to boot CD, hit play. I'm going to close the lid and we should be good to go. So this one here, guys, this one has a little more of an issue. This is the Rondo of the Night. This has the different music, you know, and totally like different game here. But it does have music issues, sound issues, like the last one did, but a little more severe. But on an emulator, it runs perfect. I got it on emulator right now, and it runs flawless. So you can hear it already, kind of stuttering a little bit. I'll just play a little bit of it here. I don't have to go through that first part like I did before. This is a little different on this game, on this, well, patch. You hear it? So it does, yeah, it does have a little issues. As you can see though, I'm definitely going to play this on an emulator, but I just want y'all to see that games do work. It just has minor glitches, that's all. So let's go ahead to our other game, guys. So I'm going to show you, first of all, so this is Bomberman World. This is a PAL region game here. I'm going to show you guys how to play PAL on NTSC. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, just hit regular play here, and I'll show you what happens. I just love to hear that laser moving back and forth. That brings back so much memories. That sound. I love that. Okay, so as you can see here, it's like a black and white. You see that? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna open this thing up. We're gonna reset it. Now I'm gonna show you how you can play these games like this. If you use those programs, you won't have to worry about this. But if you want to like play them on something else, like you may have to use those programs. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go to boot CD. Instead of hitting play, guys, as you see down here, you have boot NTSC to PAL and boot PAL to NTSC. So this is a PAL game, so we want to boot this to play on the NTSC console. So we're going to hit play. We're going to hit the X button on this, and we're going to choose that option. I'm going to close the lid. This should have been on my past video. I should have said something about that, but it just slipped my mind. And there you go, guys. Got some nice colors there instead of black and white. There you go, and that's how you if you don't use those programs, this is what you do, guys. This is what you do. No big. There you go. Alright guys, I'm glad you stayed to the end of the video, and hope this helped you out in some way or another. And you know what? Happy gaming. I'm gonna go out and play me a couple games, guys, and do a little something, and you know, maybe grab a cold one or whatever. So, you guys take it easy. Game on, guys, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial, whatever I get myself into, guys, whether it's music or whatever. Stay cool. Later. Oh yeah.